Hey everybody, my name is Amara Sandoval, and if you want to experience a world full of flavor, come follow me in the day of the life of a private chef.
Welcome to the day in the life of a personal chef. Say hello to Amaris. Amaris is a personal chef and is on his way to a private client. The client is only a short drive away. We made it to the client's house. Time to do some quick setup before the groceries arrive. Hey Amaris, what's today's menu?
So today I'm making oven roasted chicken, sushi, two different types of sushi, pan-seared salmon and tuna, cabbage salad, charred broccoli, roasted asparagus, big mashed potato, spicy okra soup, plantain chips, and a mixed vegetable quinoa.
Wow, Amaris will be cooking a lot today. Time to organize the vegetables, wash some pots and pans, and then it's time to start cooking. Time to add some water and some vegetable stock. The pots are all ready now. Now it's time to wash all of the fruits and vegetables. That's a lot of fruits and vegetables. Time to add the rice. Give it a stir. Add some oil and another stir. Time to peel and chop the potatoes. The potatoes are dropped in a pot to boil. Adding the quinoa now and stirring. Now for the spice blend. First we add some garlic and onion powder, some paprika powder, some cayenne powder, some cinnamon, add some pepper, salt, and a dash of sugar, and then combine. Checking in on the rice and quinoa. Adding the spice blend and some oil to the broccoli. Now to marinate the chicken with some oil and the spice blend. Wow, that looks great! The potatoes are done boiling. Time to drain the water and let them cool down. After shucking the corn, it's time to boil them. was some great cutting skills, Amaris. Time to put the broccoli in the oven, but before that, Amaris will add some sauce on top. Now to add some sauce to the potatoes. Wow, those mashed potatoes look amazing. Look how steamy and great the charred broccoli looks. Time to roast the asparagus. The corn is done. Look how steamy and mouthwatering it looks. The roasted asparagus looks great. Amaris has finished a lot of dishes so far. Time to add the ingredients for the spicy okra soup. The soup's cooking great. Time to add the spice blend to the quinoa, some kale, mixing, some sauce, and mixing it one more time. Wow, that looks amazing! The corn is looking great with that sauce.
To the side.
It's time to braise the chicken. The chicken has such a great color to it. To braise the chicken, Amaris will add some stock, butter, spice blend, some thyme, and then straight into the oven. Time to pan-sear the salmon and tuna. Look at those flipping skills, amazing! The chicken is done. Wow, it looks incredible. The spicy okra soup is ready. Time to make the plantain chips. First cut and peel the plantain. Thinly slice the plantain, or cut it into small pieces, and then fry them. Time to cut the salmon and tuna for the sushi. Now to make the sushi. First, Amaris will place a layer of rice on the nori. Add some tuna and salmon, some avocado, some sliced cabbage, some green pepper sauce, and then Amaris will tuck the front edge of the nori into the roll and continue to roll the sushi. Let's watch him make another one. The sushi looks great. Amaris made a lot. With the completion of the sushi, Amaris has cooked all the meals for today. Here's the final look at all the food Amaris made today. He was incredible. Amaris will finish cleaning up and then he is done for the day. If you guys are interested in more of Amaris' cooking, check out the description box below for Amaris' Instagram account. Thanks for watching a day in the life of a personal chef. Consider subscribing for more day in the life videos, and I'll see you next time.